1,000 sisters siblings Amy and Tammy Slaton are no strangers to letting the cameras into their homes and bearing all about their lives. And even when the TLC cameras aren't rolling on the pair, the duo still keep fans up to date with what they're up to on social media. Amy did so this weekend by sharing a short clip of her son Glenn, 9 months, and his brother Gage, 2, as they relaxed at home. However, while a handful of fans found the video rather sweet as they spotted Glenn was now teething, others had cause for concern. Several fans have pleaded with Amy to wash her son's clothes and bathe her tots after claiming the two youngsters look dirty. In the clip, Amy can be heard asking Glenn, "Hey Glenn, what are your early morning thoughts?" The 9-month-old lets out excitable yet inaudible speech as his mother replied, "Yeah, is that right?" Amy then turns the camera to her eldest son and asks the toddler, "Gage, what's your thought of the day?" Again, Gage lets out an inaudible reply before Amy turns back to Glenn and ends the video. Taking to the comments section of the TikTok, a number of fans picked up on the fact Glenn's collar looked discolored, as at Virginia Mel 51 simply put, looks dirty. Elsewhere, at Mimi Chic pleaded, "Plaza bathe those sweet babies? So sad to see how dirty they are." And at Wildberry683 added to the discussion about their cleanliness, "Baby's shirt needs a wash." Meanwhile, at user 4556295309491 offered up a suggestion to avoid such mishaps as they commented, "That baby needs a bib." Don't miss. SWAT promo teases arrival of A-list guest star in Hondo reunion. Watch, Sister Wives fans claim Mary Brown looks different in new clip. Video, Kevin Costner's new role away from Yellowstone gets big filming update. Latest, however, there were some fans defending the new parent as at the Man Who Sold the World argued, "Kids will get dirty, it happens. Lay off of this woman for FS sake." And Susan Redfern-Motz found the moment adorable as they replied, "Hi big guy. His two little teeth, so cute. You're an amazing mom, Amy." Sick, Amy also received support from fans after splitting from her husband Michael Halterman earlier this year. The 1,000 sisters star filed for divorce back in March after the duo tied the no back in 2019. 1,000 sisters airs on TLC in the USA.
Melted.